would never say that to me because she knows better. When these people ask me,
everybody, welcome in. Let's get into this November 21st, 2020 call with Aunt Brenda Aquard and see what kind of little tidbits we can get. And with that, let's get into it.
hey, you alright?
Huh?
I said, you alright?
Yeah. I'm in the car traveling with Trader where,
is that him whining?
Huh?
Is that him whining?
Yeah, he's in the back seat. He got where he whines a little bit when he travels.
Oh, I heard him.
I just took him out and let him potty and just put him back in the car. That's why I missed the first call. I was in the back trying to get to the phone and couldn't get to it in time. But anyway, how are you doing?
Okay. Still getting over
I talked to Harley last night.
Oh, that's good. I'm still getting over this.
I sent her some money.
Oh, okay. That's good.
So she said, Aunt Brenda, I learned my lesson.
Yeah.
Well, I that was kind of tough love. I told her, I said, now, Aunt Brenda don't play games, Harley. I said, I'm not going to play games with you. I've never played games, and I said, I'm not going to do it. I said, I love you too much, Harley, and I'll do whatever I can do for you, but I'm not going to play games with you and your friends.
Yeah. Yeah,
so
I think she understands.
Now she understands. You know what she told me?
What?
And it was really funny because I laughed about it afterwards. And I didn't know what it was like to be without money until now, and you taught me.
Well,
I said, and I told you how to appreciate it and use it wisely. I said, you got to use it wisely, Harley. You can't just throw it away, darling.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I believe
peer pressured her.
Huh?
She said the people were like peer pressuring about, all them pyramid schemes and all that stuff. You know what I'm talking about?
Well, you know what I told her? I said, you took all that money that I was giving you and spent it on stuff, getting them of crap, and it was scams. I had my attorney to check in on it, and it was all scams. I said, Harley, I worked too hard for that money, and some of that, darling, was upon insurance money, and that was money that was left for me to live off of, and I'm sharing it with you, but I didn't share it with you to throw away like that.
Yeah, and she's never done away with money like that.
I said, we can't.
Yeah. She's never thrown away money like that. That's why I knew there had to be some kind of negative.
I know it was. I know it's the people she's staying with.
Yeah.
You know, like you said, they've got money and
it don't matter to them. They don't appreciate.
Yeah, it don't matter to them. But see, that's the thing. Harley's got to remember, I'm on a fixed income.
She knows that, ain't Brenda? It was just
she knows it now.
And she knew it before. She was just negative influence because she didn't do that crap with me. She worked hard for what she wanted and she earned what she got. She just went a little foolish in the head because they were peer pressuring her, and never being around them blowing money like that, they don't appreciate things. They go out and, like, for example, they'll go somewhere, and there's nothing wrong with going somewhere, if you want to go out to eat.
And that's what I told her. I told her that. I said, I don't mind you going out to eat. I don't mind you doing things, Harley. I said, but baby, there's some things like that scam and that beauty influence, stuff like that. I wish you would talk to me about it first.
Yeah.
And yeah, I would have told you not to done it because we didn't have the money to throw away like that at this time.
Well, not just that. She would have known didn't make any sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. So I think she learned her lesson, and I told her, I said, I got your car. I said, I mean, it's your car. I bought it for you, darling. I said, but she said, well, Charlotte can go with me to get it, Aunt Brenda. I said, no. I said, I'm going to wait. I said, I got something else. I said, we're going to wait a little bit. I said, you're going to get your car. I said, I'm going to make sure you're going to get your car, baby. I said, because it's your car. I'm not going to take your car away from you. I said, I bought it for you, and I'm not going to take it away from you.
Yeah.
But you're not going to do what you've done before.
Yeah.
You're not going to be going out of state with it, and you're not going to be doing stuff like that.
Yeah.
But anyway, huh?
What did she say?
She just said because it didn't concern me, that's why she didn't think I needed to know. I said, anytime you do something like that, yes, it concerns me.
Well, I've already told her, too, you had to be the one to know if I wasn't available to be told.
And I said, yes, it concerns me. I said, for one reason is because I'm helping look after you. And I said, your grandma, Debra, has not told you none, and she hasn't. They hardly told me like I did.
I know. She even gave me $10.
Aunt Katrina sent her $50, and Dakota sent her. She asked Dakota for a piece of money, and he sent her some money.
Yeah. Which I knew Dakota would.
Well, Dakota's got a family now, and he's not what you all think he's got, because I think that girl and all them babies, she's already got 2 babies when Dakota met her. And now they got that one. So that's 3 kids, her family. And then he still tries to help your mom.
Yeah.
So Dakota's on a tight leash, too.
Well, no, I know that. I'm just saying, I know if he had some, he would give it to her. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, Dakota will. But I don't see, that's the thing. Do you talk to Dakota?
I mean, I never really talked to Dakota like that all the time. It's just, I've never talked to anybody really, but like once or twice a year. You know that.
But see, now, that's what I said. See, Dakota and your mama, they need to know Aunt Brenda's not there to harm them. Aunt Brenda's there to help y'all. And see, that's where Debra's mad at me about. Debra said, I'm not helping you or Harley. I ain't never done nothing for her young'un. That's what she told me. I have never done nothing for y'all.
She has.
I cannot believe she said that.
Well, she won't say that to me.
I never done nothing. She said, I have never done nothing to help her nor you young'un. And it hurt my heart so bad.
Ain't Brenda, you can't let that get to you because this is what I had to learn.
She don't know what all I have done for her and you young'un.
But you have never heard me deny that. And she would never say that to me because she knows better. When these people ask me, they were asking me the other day about it, and I was like, yeah, my Aunt Brenda and Uncle Tommy would have been the only ones. I told them about all the times that, when Grandpa was sick, I'd be there by myself while you might be at work, but then it would be you, me, and Uncle Tommy. And I said, never was it Mom or anybody.
No.
It was always just us. I said, but I was a child, but they were the adults in charge, you know what I mean? I said, yeah, I helped out as much as I could as a child, but as far as adults involved, I said it was always Aunt Brenda. I said, Uncle Tommy was out working. So.
Yeah, and I just get that. And even when Mama Ruby was sick, it was always me and Tommy had to take care of her. And I mean, Debra never pitched in on neither one of them to come there and stay to give me and Tommy a break or nothing. And then she tells me I've never done nothing for her or you kids. And she's turned Dakota against me and all. I mean, Dakota despised me because
Dakota does that to everybody. He does that to me. Like he does it to everybody.
But that's okay. I'm not worried about them. I'm not even worried about them.
Don't even.
I'm going to worry about Harley and Katrina. Katrina helped out Harley a little bit.
Yeah.
And Katrina couldn't figure out why I took the car. Well, Julie told her why I took it.
Yeah.
And Julie was Julie was okay with me taking it.
She got mad at, well, Julie shouldn't have went, this is where I got upset. Julie shouldn't have went and told Katrina anything, because that wasn't her business to do that.
No, Katrina made an ugly comment about me taking the car. That's when Julie broke on her.
Yeah, now Julie, she did say Julie hadn't talked to her anymore, but I haven't talked to Katrina anymore either, because I don't have anything else to say to her, because I just didn't like some of that stuff either. She tried to tell me on the phone that my mom has always took care of me and done this and done that. And I told Amy Bolton.
She didn't.
I told Amy Bolton, I said, let me tell you something. I said, you go back and tell Katrina that she ain't got to worry about me calling her anymore. I said, because she don't know what my mom has done and has not done. I says, and does it mean I'm supposed to, as a Christian, am I supposed to forgive her? Yes. But that doesn't mean that stuff, I'm going to sit here and lie and say she done all these things. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, forgiving somebody is one thing, but I'm not going to sit here and lie and say she did all these great things. And Katrina got mad because I said all that. And I said, she used to let us live with that abuse, with James, all kinds of stuff. And I said,
I know she did.
That plays on the person. That bothers my brain over the years and harms me with anything to do with male relationships, because she allowed me to live in it for so long, you know?
And not only him, and Jazz had to look up under Stevie Dow. Look what Stevie Dow was saying with her.
I know.
Come on, what kind of influence with Stevie Dow with Jazz around?
I know. And that's my thing. Katrina got mad at me because I said, well, you need to go sit down and talk to your sister then and ask her. I said, because if she lies about it, then that's on her, but there's plenty of proof about it. I said, I didn't live with them since I was 14. I said, I did not live with them. I said, I went and stayed at Grandpa's. I said, this summer, I would stay outside and play ball all the time, and my friends would pick me up to go to baseball or whatever. I said, then I'd catch the bus over there. I was like, that was it. I said, and really and truly, when I was little, I didn't live with her either. I said, it was only that time frame that she ripped me away and took me to Myrtle Beach.
Yep. And then Daddy had to go down there and get you because James abused her and all.
Yeah. So, I mean,
there was 5 DMPs come to take y'all to social service, and Daddy said, them youngins ain't going to social service. He knows you weren't going. He'll fall over you.
That was my
thing. We went up down there that night, got y'all. But anyway, is everything else okay with you?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm just trying to get over this sickness, and, you know, it's just really getting the best of me, and then being in here, like, never getting to talk to people is hard too. Because then I start going crazy and hallucinating and stuff because I'm always by myself.
Well, don't do that. I got you. I'm going to order your books this afternoon. Okay. And Harley told me they had to be paperback, so I'm going to order those books.
Yeah, they sent her back, so...
Yeah. And so that other book, that appeal book, I can't remember the name of it.
Yeah, the appeal by John Grisham. Yeah.
Oh my God, that's going to be an interesting. I'm going to order me that book.
John Grisham is he's got a good book. I read his book, The Innocent Man, and it's a story about this guy that's sitting in jail and he's innocent, and then they end up finding out. I read
a little bit about that too.
Yeah, and then he ends up.
So I'm gonna order your book.
All right.
I'm gonna order your books this afternoon, and Harley said they had to make sure ain't printed her paperback.
Yeah,
so I'll
they
order
returned
your
the James Patterson one that she had ordered me. They returned it because it had hardback.
She said, ain't bringing it supposed to be in paperback. Well, I said, maybe they make mistakes.
Yeah.
I said, but I said, I'm going to order them today when I get back. I'm on my way to Raleigh now. I'm working.
Oh, you are? I figured you might be out delivering papers.
Yeah. I told Harley, I said, I'm 68 years old. I still work. I said, I still work.
How old you say?
I said, 68.
Oh, I thought you said 58. I was like, wait a minute now. All right.
No, and I'm 68 years old, and I told Harley, I said, baby, I still work. Yeah. And I said, if I could get me another part-time job, I'd get me a part-time job. I said, if I was young and know what I know now, I said, I would hold me down 2 jobs.
Yeah.
I'm serious, and make me some money. I would hold down me 2 jobs, put one check in the bank, and the other check I would live off of.
Yep. Yeah,
so I told Harley, I told her on the phone, I said, I want you to go online and find out how to get your notary seal. And she said, what's that? I said, go online and read about it. And I said, there's real estate, banker.
You have 1 minute remaining.
Well, you know, I was wanting her to get her notary seal so
Yeah,
she
yeah,
can
yeah.
notarize the document. But anyway, I know we're getting ready to hang up, darling, and I love you.
All right, love you too. Okay.
You call me again anytime,
careful.
okay? And
I will.
If you need any money or anything, let me know, okay?
I'm good. I'm just making sure Harley's okay because I know she didn't have any. So. Okay, cool.
Harley's got money. I'll take care of Harley. I'm just trying to treat her.
I know what you're doing. I know what you're doing. I appreciate it.
Okay,
Right.
I love you,
All right,
darling.
talk to you later.
Bye, baby.
Both of you shut the entire F up. You talk over each other and the third party talking and how much Brenda does. And the abuse with James coming out. Stevie Dial coming out. Brenda mentioning both of them. And they are both deceased. Let's not forget, James Lowry, Letecia's stepfather before Stevie Dial, was hit by a car and killed, and they never found the person that was driving that car. I have also gathered through that conversation that Katrina is somehow Debra Locklear's sister. So I am going to have to go back and see where that match is because I've never found a Katrina as Debra's sister, but I have found a few other sisters that are in my tree. But both of them, Harley and Letecia back in 2020, definitely relied on Brenda for money. I cannot wait to get the calls from 2023, especially the ones from Kansas. We put the request in to get the calls from Kansas, and Kaz and I are still waiting. Letecia Evil Stauch definitely has a role for each of the ones that she speaks to. Debra Locklear, I really wish you would send me an email and tell me your side of the story growing up with your daughter Letecia Stauch and how evil the stepfathers were to her. And how true do you think it is what James Lowry supposedly did to Letecia?
That the defendant has been flipping the bird potentially to witnesses or to our family that are here for Gannon.
And the 2 sticker scales that were on the garage floor were close to those 2x4s that were previously mentioned.
384.
Drop your comments, guys. And with that, it is a wrap. Everybody, thank you for coming in. Please make sure you click that like, the subscribe, and the bell for notification so you do not miss the next time we drop a video and or a go live. Everybody, have a good day or a good night wherever you are in the world and stay vigilant. I am out.